Okay, so today we're focusing on coordinates and being able to plot and read coordinates on a grid. Coordinates are used to show where something is, to be really precise. So particularly if we're using maps, they help us to be really precise to make sure we end up in the right place. So there's certain rules that we have to follow. The rules are that we kind of use the letters X and Y. The X and the Y refer to being the kind of the parts of the axes. The horizontal part of the axes is X and the vertical part of the axes is Y. So the other thing to remember is we always start from the origin, which is at 0, and then in this coordinate here, 3, 5, x is represented the first number, so 3 represents the x, how far across on the x-axis, so it goes across from the origin to 3 and it's going up to 5. So x comes before y in the alphabet, so we're going to go to that point, and you can see I put an x right where they meet. Next, we're looking at the next one is 4, 4. Well, both of them are the same. That means, but we still go across 4 on an x-axis to 4, and then up 4 on the x-axis, on the y-axis to 4, and then where they meet, we put the cross. Next, look at the blue. We've got 0, 2. So if we can't start at our origin point. Well, if we've got 0 on the x-axis, we're not moving at all. We're still on 0. But on the y, our y number is 2, so we go up 2. So that would be here. Right where those kind of corners meet, and then we've got 4, 0, the purple number. So we've got across 4 because x is there. We go up 0, so it's there. So the things to remember: x comes before y in the alphabet. X comes before y in coordinates. X is the shape of a cross. Across x tells us how far across it's going. There's also a phrase which you might hear here, which is so you go across the corridor and up the stairs. So x tells us we're going across the corridor, going along, and y tells us we're going up the stairs. Assertive is an adjective, and it's used to describe something or someone who is bold or forceful or very positive and self-confident. So